you go. You got the second verse. Alright, it goes a little something like this. Hold on. My Uncle Jimmy served his time on the shoulder of this joiner. 3 pounds, 10 a week was all he earned. And the wages are better working Michigan pines, so we sail on an ocean liner, build a better life with the trading bird. But the shore he reached in 23, the home of the brave, the land of the free, dry as the devil's tongue on Judgment Day. But to find the drowning of foreign lands, a natural gift of a Falkirk man, and Lady Liberty looked the other way. Or so I've always heard my uncle say, for he's the best of the party, cream of the crop. Easy on the water, and I'll tell you when to stop. Will you please charge your glasses with the real pure drop, and bring me the best of the party. Work! Here we go. Mr. Ed Denver on the vocals.
Oh, my Uncle Jim was a child of his time. The tricks of the trade they were not made, but the doctor used to always a one-day play. On the working man's dollar and the poor man's time, between 29 and 30, but they took all the steady jobs and the broken trade. So the only way they Jim could see was to play the game of liberty, but no one ever told him on the road. And while painted hearts for homeward bound, Jim sold Michigan eggs on the pound with a leather string and an iron proof for two, just to show those Yankees how to keep their cool.
Join us, he's the best of the party.
The best of the party.
Cream of the crop.
Cream of the crop.
Easy on the water.
Easy on the water, and I'll tell you when to stop.
Please charge your glasses.
Charge your glasses with the real pure crop.
Drinks the best of the party.
Drink the best of the
Mr.
party.
Mark McKinnon on accordion.
My Uncle Jim, he could keep good time when the man played an ancient reel, and he loved to waltz away the summer night. And the spring and the step kept him in his prime through the tons of fortune's wheel, as it spun him through the darkness and the light. And to dance a jig with Lady Liberty, Jim took the hand of the century, and he never let her steal a backward glance. From the D-Day beaches to the Cold Lake shore, we wandered around the floor to show her how a Scotsman takes his time. And he never missed a measure of the dance. Come on, sing it!
Here's the best of the party. Cream of the crop. Easy on the water, and I'll tell you when to stop. Would you please charge your glasses with the real pure drop, and bring me the best of the party. Here's a healthy, the best of the party. Mr. McNeil and Mr. Merrill in Scotland. And the best of the party. Thank you very much, Austin. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Ed. Thank you, Deanna.
Garen Bigley, Wolf Loescher, Mark Kenneth.
Thanks, Sean. It's been fun.
Thank you so much. Come talk to us. We got CDs for sale.